Pick up your toys, let's clean the room. 5 little monkeys pick up one toy, put it in the box, oh what joy. Mama monkey smiled, said good job to you. Now there are 4 little monkeys left to do. Cleaning with care, books on the shelf, teddies in a chair. Mama monkey said, you're doing great. Now there are 3 little monkeys, don't be late. 3 little monkeys singing sweet, cleaning together, nice and neat. Mama monkey clapped, said, woohoo. Now there are 2 little monkeys left to do. Wipe the floor, make it shiny, clean once more. Mama monkey laughed, said, well done you. Now there is 1 little monkey left to do. 1 little monkey puts toys away. The room is clean, hooray, hooray. Mama monkey hugged and said, look what you've done. 5 happy monkeys, singing is fun. Long, long,